home sweet home. What's up, guys? I got some stuff to tell you. We're gonna talk about. I'm home from Ohio. I'm back in my shop and working. I am booked up with repairs. So if my videos are delayed and you don't see as many of them, it's because I am working, making money to create more videos for you all. Big stuff happening. Big stuff happening. Something is going right here in this area of the shop. Those that know, don't say nothing. But there's something going right there in the shop. It's exciting. And I got some videos I want to make. I want to do the more of a look through that stuff that I got. But I want Rogers Fix-It Barn to come and go through it with me. Right now he's down, but he'll be back. Roger's a tough guy, so I'm sure he'll be back any time. He'll be up and going in no time. And then, because I want he'll be able to explain the stuff that I bought, this machinist stuff, more than I could. So we'll get Roger Fix-It Barn here to go through the stuff with me. Yeah, I am still cleaning out my shop. It's a bit of a mess doing repairs and stuff. Look, I did clean the top of this box out. I want to get some organizers for some sockets up here. I need to do that soon. My welder is at the house because the generator's still broken. I need to finish fixing it up tomorrow because I got a deck repaired weld to do. A lot of stuff I've been organizing. Check this out. I got this sign in Ohio. My uncle's father-in-law was a retired machinist, and he had this sign in his garage. And I always wanted one of these old signs. And look, I put it up by my lathe. Also, guys, check this out. I put a magnet right here for some of the tools. I know that metal shavings are probably going to get on there from time to time. I saw this idea, and I think it was Clay Coon from Coon's Trucking or whatever that did the tape, so you could just pull it off and it cleans the metal shavings off. I thought that was a good idea. He did that on his lights, so I figured that would work great for this part right here. Yeah. So anyway, guys, y'all gonna ask, well, ain't you moving? Why are you buying more stuff? Why are you doing more stuff? And the answer is the move is kind of postponed. We're gonna try to get by for 2 more years. And instead of renting a place, we can actually buy a place, and I can actually build a shop. Because look, I am running out of room. Especially when I put this new thing in here, I'm going to be running out of room soon. So, yeah. That's pretty much it. It's postponed. I don't know if we'll move to Ohio. I really have my heart set on Eastern Kentucky. I know there's not a lot of work there, but I can find work because if you got the skills and you got the tools, you can find work anywhere you go in this trade. There's always a mower to be fixed, a car to be fixed, something to be welded, something to be repaired in some sort of way. And that just gives, I'm just gonna have more time here. And who knows, we might even just buy a place here in Texas if we can find some land cheap enough. It's actually starting to get harder here. We might stay in Texas. I made a lot of great friends here. You know, Rogers Fix-It Barn, Ray from Texas Key Keepers, Justin Good of the Land. I mean, so many great people. The list just goes on and on and on. The great people I have met in this state. So who knows what the futures might bring. Right now we got a plan for right now, and there's just big stuff happening. Yeah. I ain't gonna tell you what I'm getting. Those that knows what I'm getting, shh. But I think it might make money for the shop. I'm hoping it makes money for the shop. Maybe it won't. It'd be it's an expensive investment if it don't. But I'm hoping that it does. Anyway, guys, that is what's going on. We are going to be shooting videos soon. The Argo is supposed to be coming back. The body got done at the other shop. They did fiberglass work to it. And, yeah, we're going to be putting that engine in there. I hear there's might be a Gator coming here. And don't tell me what else. I'm sure Ray, Texas Key Creeper, will bring some cool stuff by, too, that I can shoot videos on. And I need to go out to his property and shoot some videos too. I keep promising him and promising him and promising. Maybe this week. If he ain't busy, I think he's busy planting right now. It's just that time of year in Texas. Anyway, guys, if you haven't already, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Guys, I will see you all on the next one.